The wait is over. Today, I'm so excited to show you the new Esplanade at Skye Ranch. Well, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Matt Light and I'm a realtor here in beautiful, sunny Sarasota, Florida. You know, if this is your first time joining us, thank you so much. Would you consider subscribing to my channel? Because I make videos for people just like you looking to relocate here to Sarasota, maybe want to look at some new construction neighborhoods, and I make videos in regards to all things Sarasota real estate. Now, I know the market's a little crazy, so stick around to the end where I'm gonna go through some ways that you can easily secure a home site in this neighborhood. So I'm walking the sidewalks of the newly opened Esplanade at Skye Ranch. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna take you into some of the models, and then I'm gonna talk about what you can expect in regards to this community as a whole. But before we do that, let's take a look at a map so you can get your bearings geographically. Come on. Esplanade at Skye Ranch is located about 3 miles east of I-75 off Clark Road. It's right at the intersection of Clark, or State Road 72, and Lorraine Road. What's interesting about this is that plans are already in place to open up Lorraine to run all the way north up to University. This is another way to drive north in Sarasota and hit all your main highway exits without actually taking the highway. So let's get this straight. Skye Ranch is the name of the larger community. And within Skye Ranch are 2 gated neighborhoods. You've got Cassia at Skye Ranch and Esplanade at Skye Ranch. There's a handful of differences between these 2 sections, like different floor plans and pricing and environments. But the main difference is Cassia is not maintenance free, whereas Esplanade is a maintenance free community. This means that the HOA takes care of your mowing, watering, trimming, fertilizing, and mulching. So I know what you're all thinking. Esplanade is known for its amenities. Now, they aren't finished yet, but let me show you what's coming, and then we're gonna head over to the models. Both Cassia and Esplanade will have access to the larger Skye Ranch Amenity Center, such as a 25,000 square foot clubhouse with 2 indoor basketball courts, fitness center, rock wall, a cafe, a kid zone, and family-friendly resort-style pool. And beyond the clubhouse, there will be an amenity park with baseball and soccer fields. Esplanade at Skye Ranch will have its own additional clubhouse as well. This will be for Esplanade residents only. This clubhouse is within the gates of Esplanade and will have a fitness center, spa, pickleball courts, and a resort-style pool. Throughout Skye Ranch, you'll also find oaks, palms, forested wetlands, lakes, and planned trails throughout the community. I'm here outside the models at Skye Ranch. Now, Skye Ranch in total is gonna have 483 total homes between a villa option and single family. Home sites, they're either 62 feet wide or 52 feet wide, and they back up to either a lake or a preserve. Now, at Skye Ranch, there are 4 model homes that you can tour between the Palazzo, the Lazio, the Farnese, and the new villa option, the Ibis. If you want to see specific tours of those, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be releasing those at a later date. So, without further ado for today, let's jump into some of these so I can give you a sneak peek. Prices are changing on these homes all the time. So the best way to get up-to-date pricing is to download the price sheet in the description below. Now, for those of you waiting on my tip on how to secure a home site, here it is. Secure a realtor. If you head into these communities on your own without already having a realtor, you won't be able to add a realtor at a later date. So if you plan on utilizing the services of a realtor to help guide you in the process of securing a home site and building a home, find one now. Before you call, before you register, before you visit any new construction neighborhood. I already said it, the market is crazy right now, and builders are busy, and buying can be complicated with auctioning off home sites, sitting on wait lists, etc. So find someone who knows what's going on in these new construction communities that can help give you some guidance. I'm always up for a phone call. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I'll see you next time.